Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to screen record on Mac. Watch the video till the end. First, on your Mac and press Shift Command 5 or use Launchpad to open screenshot and display the tool. Then in the second, click a tool to use to select what you want to capture or record. For a portion of the screen, drag the frame to reposition it or drag its edges to adjust the size of the area you want to capture or record. Then in the third step, click the option pop-up menu. Then choose any option you want. The available option vary based on whether you are taking a screenshot or a screen recording. For example, you can choose to set a time delay or show the mouse pointer or clicks and specify where to save the file. Then in the fourth step, start the screenshot or screen recording. For the entire screen or a portion of it, click capture. For a window, move the pointer to the window, then click the window. For recordings, click record. To stop recording, click this icon in the menu bar. When the show floating thumbnail option is set, you can do any of the following while the thumbnail is briefly displayed in the bottom right corner of the screen. Swipe right to immediately save the file and make it disappear. Drag the thumbnail into a document and email a note or a Finder window. Click on the thumbnail to open the window where you can mark up the screenshot or trim the recording or share it. Depending on where you can choose to share the screenshot or recording, an app may open. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.